Hey there, so picture this. It's 2024, and Canada's fertilizer game just got a serious glow up. Thanks big time to this cool spot called the Beiseker facility near Okotoks, Alberta. Run by Earth Renew, they're making granulated fertilizer the eco-friendly way. Zero waste, local materials, and full-on green vibes that help farmers grow healthy crops while taking care of Mother Earth. They actually ramped up production by like 15% this year, which means more fertilizer going out to help Canadian farms and boost exports. Now, why granulated fertilizer? Well, it spreads nutrients evenly, cuts down on messy dust, and makes it way easier for farmers to use. Less waste, better yields. Plus, everything's made with local stuff, so jobs stay in Canada, which is awesome. But here's the kicker. The Beiseker plant isn't just about making fertilizer. They're all in on regenerative agriculture too, using natural inputs to boost soil health and biodiversity. They're even upgrading the facility with cool tech and automation so they can hit bigger goals next year, like pumping out 2,000 tons every month. And folks are already locked in buying a bunch, so momentum is definitely there. Money-wise, they're doing solid, improving profits, and even raised over $5 million to keep pushing the green mission forward. Now enter Farmonaut. That's us. We're the tech side of this story, using satellites, AI, and all that fancy digital jazz to help farmers keep an eye on their crops, monitor soil moisture, and get smart tips on how and when to use fertilizer perfectly. Our Jeevan AI sends personalized advice right to their phones, making farming smarter and easier, while also cutting down on waste and environmental impact. We also bring transparency with blockchain tech, so everyone knows exactly where products come from. Super important for trusted exports. Together, the Beiseker facility's green fertilizer and Farmonaut's precision tools are like peanut butter and jelly for Canada's agriculture, helping farms grow stronger, stay sustainable, and win big even with all the global curveballs. Honestly, it's all about making farming simple, smart, and kind to the planet. And yep, that's definitely on fire now.